Hello and welcome to Mike's Garage. This is kind of a quick turnaround. I just put a clutch in this bike and I said, okay, I'm going to adjust the cable and everything when we're done with this video. Because the video was getting pretty long and all I was going to do was adjust and lube the cable, which I've done a lot of times. Then the guys started in on me and they said, hey, you're going to show people how to put the clutch in, you got to adjust it when you're done. Well, I've shown that before. Well, you ought to show it now because you just put the clutch in. So here it goes. I'm going to do it. I'm going to adjust John's clutch lever and cable, and he'll be happy. Because John's just a happy sort of guy. He's only unhappy when he's picking on me. Anyway, that makes you happiest? Okay, good deal. All right. All right. So, do I have everything I need? No, I don't. I came close, but not quite. Not quite. But I did adjust it for you. You said a month or two ago? Yeah. Well, anyway, I'm going to take this thing out. Now, I took the snap ring off. I have a pair of snap ring pliers here that I used to take this little clip off of here. And now I'm pulling the pin, and I'm going to take this lever off in my hand. Well, I think what I got to do is back off on the cable adjustment down below here. So, I will get a 1/2-inch wrench and a 9/16 wrench, and I will get that snapped loose. And then we can back off on that cable, which will enable me to pull this cable housing loose. Oh, we can do that a little bit here too at this adjustment. There we go. And we can get that cable right off of there. Ta-da! Well, it wasn't near as bad as you thought it was going to be. But what we're going to do is we're going to wipe this nice and clean. And we're going to get the cable and pin loose from the lever. Then we're going to lube it all. Wipe all the crud off of it. There we go, that's better. And like I said, then we'll put some more grease on it. Oh, did I wipe that in? Yeah, it looks like I just lubed it last week. Whatever. Anyway, there it is. We got all that lubed up there. And I'm going to put grease on this plastic pin. Now I know the manufacturers and lots of people don't even bother to lube those plastic pins, but I do, and I like them that way. Okay. And that's in there now. And now we have this little spring which loads the lever sideways and keeps it from rattling badly. And so I just lubed that. And we got the cable back in there. And I know when I had it in here last time, I ran a bunch of oil down that cable too, which is something else I prefer to do. But there we go. There's the hole for that pin. And it's in there. Not only is it in there, but with a pair of snap ring pliers here, I can put this little snap ring in place. Now the art department is filming this particular video, and he's standing there with his hand out so that if this snap ring flies away, he thinks he's going to catch it. But I'm going to put it on, which I just did, and I dropped it. Did you see where it went? It hit the paper and bounced off. No, it hit that paper instruction sheet and bounced somewhere. You find it? You got to be kidding me. You deserve an Oscar for that. That's wonderful, man. That is, I'm impressed. Well, I told you he was going to catch it, so I knew he would. There he is. Give him a hand. I'm telling you. Now I felt it snap into place. I can't believe you actually found that on the floor, on my dirty floor. Wow. Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to adjust the clutch, and I think what we'll do is we'll turn it in all the way. Okay, and then we'll turn it back, oh, 1/4 to 3/8 of a turn, and then we'll lock down the lock nut. Then all we'll have to do is adjust the cable, and we're set. So here we go. We have a 1/2 inch and a 9/16, and we'll get this 1/2 inch here done well. There we go. You see that we have a little bit of play here. Not too much. Maybe just a hair less. And then we'll take this lock nut and lock it down and see what we have. So we'll put this 1/2 inch wrench on this. Okay, that is locked down, and we'll see how much play we have. I'd say it's about right. I like it. It's a little stiff. It's not as soft as I'd like it. But there it is. And let's just take this 11/16 wrench here, and we'll pull the clutch loose. Make sure that it turns freely now. And that's it. Badia, 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 that's all, folks. That's it. The only thing left now is, of course, to pour the primary oil in it with the cover back on it, which I think we'll do next. And that's it for now. So I think that was a pretty good demonstration of lubing the lever and the cable. And that's it for John's 2000 Road King. with a new clutch in it. So till next time, I'll see you out on the road.